Hey guys, it's Cole, Kentucky Power Sports. We're talking today about our big fall promo. We're clearancing all our RhinoAg branded equipment. We're having a sale on everything that we have in stock inventory only. No pre-orders, we're not taking orders. If it's in stock, we're blowing it out. We have 48-inch box blades. We have land levelers. We have the bigger box blades. We have 72s and 60s. We have the rear 3-point blades if you're interested in that. We have a couple different pallet fork options. One of them is 1,760 pound weight, the other one is 4,400. We have the 72-inch scrapers. They have the teeth on the front that are flippable, detachable. We have a couple different hay forks, and then we have one smaller rear blade attachment. So if you're interested in adding to your farm fleet, accessories, options, come on to Kentucky Power Sports, see me, see Dame. We'll get you some prices, and we'll help you out this fall.